Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to my little man cave. Today in this video I'm going to show you Phantom Angel, the discharger for drone batteries. This Phantom Angel has traveled all the way from USA, yes, because it's designed and manufactured totally in USA. So it traveled all the way from USA to China and to my house. For which I would like to say thank you very much, Alex, the designer of Phantom Angel. Alex has been in RC and FPV hobby for over 2 decades. He knows clearly there was a problem when it came to discharging batteries, especially discharging drone batteries. Now, as a good hobbyist, you should know that discharging batteries and storing them properly is very important. Not only it extends their lives, batteries' lives, if you discharge them to proper storage level and then store them, it will extend the battery's life, but also keeps the batteries safe and obviously keeps you and your house safe as well. Now, if you travel with drones, you also should know that airlines require you to discharge the batteries properly before you carry them on board aircraft. Now, for RC LiPo batteries, there are many dischargers out there in the market. Personally, I have reviewed a couple of dischargers as well, and I personally have them and use them time by time whenever I want to store my RC batteries. But I haven't seen in particular a discharger for DJI and aerial filming drones. Now, you should know that DJI drone batteries discharge themselves over a period of time, but it takes a couple of days for batteries to discharge fully. And if you want to quickly discharge your DJI aerial filming drone batteries or aerial filming drones like X8 SE from FIMI, if you want to discharge those batteries, you know you have to fly your drone until you drain the batteries. That is the quickest way to do so far. Until came the Phantom Angel, which will do the job for you, can discharge your DJI and other aerial filming drone batteries very, very quickly and safely. And you can also request Alex, just like I did, that I do not have DJI drones. You can also request Alex to build you a customized Phantom Angel discharger to discharge whatever batteries you like. For example, I wanted to discharge 4S and 6S LiPo batteries, RC batteries, and Alex was kind enough to especially customize this Phantom Angel for my needs. Enough said, let me bring the camera closer, give you a closer look at Phantom Angel. I will show you what came in the box, and I'll show you a demonstration of this discharger right away, and we'll see how good it discharges, how quick it discharges the battery, and at what levels we get the batteries after we use it. Not only that, you can also cycle the batteries using this discharger. So this is the box of the Phantom Angel, and it came in this box. Inside the box I received 2 Osram halogen display or optic lamps. One I have already installed here on the Phantom Angel. Custom cable XT60 to XT90, because some of my batteries, as you can see, they have XT90 connectors. Most of other batteries I have XT60 connectors, a glove, and the customized Phantom Angel discharger, which Alex especially customized for me. Alright, let's take a closer look at the Phantom Angel discharger. I really like the complete metal build. There is a heat sink right here, because that is where you will put the Osram halogen bulb, and that bulb will drain the energy, drain the power from the batteries, and this heat sink is provided to dissipate the heat, and obviously, you know, discharging the battery goes on. At this side you can see a cooling fan for the charger electronics, an inlet, and at this side there's an outlet here, so there's a good airflow inside over the electronics. At this side you have 2 switches, so you can select to discharge the batteries to storage level down here or cycle the batteries. And if you are using 4S batteries, you can keep the switch up. You're using 6S batteries, you can put the switch down. So because I told Alex that I mostly I use 4 to 6S batteries, so he gave me 2 options to discharge those batteries. There's a button here which you will press after connecting the battery, and just one press of this button, the Phantom Angel will do all the job for you that you have selected using these switches. First off, I'm going to install the Osram halogen bulb for which it is recommended that you put on the glove so you don't leave any kind of mist or sweat or any fingerprints or anything that will actually could damage the bulb later. Alright, so now I'm gonna discharge a battery, for which I would like to pick up a battery which is fully charged. I believe I fully charged this 4S battery. Okay, so let's find it out right away. Yes, you can see that it's fully charged, almost fully charged, 4.14, 4.15, 4.16. Okay, so I'm gonna put it to 4S, and this switch I'm going to put on storage down. Okay, because I want this battery to go down to the storage level. Now all I need to do is connect the battery, and as soon as I connected the battery, the LED lights up here on the button, very beautiful orange color, and all you need to do is press this button and the halogen lamp will light up and it will start draining the battery's power, and once the battery is down to proper storage level, it will stop. So let's just do it. Now this is the thing that I want to tell you why I love it, because the other dischargers I have, once you turn them on to discharge the batteries, they turn on some kind of fans inside to drain the power or to dissipate the energy at very, very high RPM, and they are extremely noisy, extremely noisy. All there is a bulb and extremely quiet. Let's see when the fan comes on, and if the fan comes on, how noisy it's gonna be. So one more thing, yes, if I can turn off all the lights. So I have turned off all the lights in my room, right? And you can see how bright light is there on my table. And that is your Phantom Angel discharger quietly discharging a battery. Alright, so let's see how long it will take to discharge the battery and what volts the battery will be after discharging. As the winter approaches, this actually is gonna keep my room warm as well, because when I put my hand here, I can see there's a lot of heat here, and the heat sink right here is doing its job, but still it's generating a good heat for my little room, and it will keep my room warm as well if I discharge the batteries in winter. At the moment, each cell is on 3.8, 3.8 and 3.8. And it has been about 4 minutes. I started at 11:21. Wow, there was no beep, nothing, and discharger just turned off. The bulb turned off at 11:25, going to be 11:26. So it took only 5 minutes to put this battery down to 3.8 volts on each cell, but one of the cell is showing 3.9 volts. What happens if I try to turn it on again? So let's do it. The voltmeter is showing 3.8 on each cell. Fourth cell is down to 3.7, and there you go, it just turns off. And each cell is on 3.8 volts now. Very good. Now this was really nice and pretty fast. Within 5 minutes, this battery is within 5, or say give and take up and down 6 minutes, it was able to discharge this 4S 1500 milliamp battery from almost full to 3.8 volt, which is the storage volt. Okay, so this Gen S 3300 milliamp is almost fully charged. Now the P30 charger is balancing the battery, and there you go, it's balanced and fully charged. 4.19, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, or 4.2. Okay, so all cells are on 4.2. I'm also charging a 6S battery, 3300 milliamp, and once it's fully charged, I will discharge it using the Phantom Angel discharger, and we will see how long it will take to fully discharge a 6S battery. Now this is fully charged. We just charged this battery 4S, I'm gonna connect it and let's time it out as well. I'm gonna start the stopwatch. Okay, so here's the stopwatch and we'll start at the same time. Alright, so stopwatch already started. We'll find out how long it will take to fully charge battery, for a fully charged battery to discharge to storage level that is 3.8 volt, not 3.9 volt. And we'll see how fast the Phantom Angel discharges this battery and what are the voltage in each cell and if they are properly on storage level or not. Look how quiet it is in my room. The only fan I hear is from my ISDT charger charging the 6S battery, and that charger fan might turn on because charging two 5000 milliamp batteries 4S as I get ready for flights. Very, very quiet. The Phantom Angel is very quiet to discharge the batteries. I simply love how the Phantom Angel is quickly and safely discharging all these batteries. Normally the other dischargers, they will make my 5 to 10 minutes life really difficult to sit in this room because of that extreme noise. If you like, I can give you an example. Let's say the ISDT FD200. Look, the noise level from that discharger, while Phantom Angel here is extremely quiet. See what I'm talking about? It's getting more and more noisy now because the thing is working to discharge the battery. So, see how quiet the Phantom Angel is working, and working very nicely. Okay, so I have turned off the other charger in my room because there was slightly fan on that one, and people might think that I'm lying and the sound is coming from Phantom Angel. No. Listen. Totally quiet in my room. 8 minutes, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8 volts on each cell on this 4S 3300 milliamp battery from Gen S. Stop it, stop it. 11 minute 14 seconds. 11 minute 14 seconds, and the battery cell is, let me just bring the battery closer so you can see. 3.8, 3.8, 3.9, 3.8. So one of the cell is still a little bit high on the volt. I mean, just 1 volt higher for the storage level, which you can always reconnect and press the button. But overall, it did the job very well to discharge this battery in 11 minutes. 11 minutes, 14 seconds. A fully charged Gen S 3300 milliamp 4S 25C battery discharged by Phantom Angel. Alright, so next is to discharge a fully charged 6S 3300 milliamp battery. So I have here a fully charged 6S battery, 4.19191921, ooh, and 4.10. So this battery, bonka, I haven't used it so much, but seems like one of its cell has issues. Phantom Angel to 6S and storage. I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, very bright light. And see how quickly the battery starts going down. This cell worries me. The last 6 cell does worry me for this battery. Welcome to my kitchen. And wow, it's kind of dark because of the raining, but look at the bright light there. Bulb just turned off and it's 12:55. I just saw the time and let's check. Wow, everything is 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, all storage level. Within 9 minutes, Phantom Angel discharged a fully charged 6S 3300 milliamp battery. That is just amazing. My other dischargers has taken much more long and they created so much noise to discharge a 6S battery, while Phantom Angel does it real quick, quiet, and safe. Right, so you see how quickly Phantom Angel discharges the battery. I haven't tried the cycle yet. I will give that a try as well on 4S and 6S and see how things go there. So far, Phantom Angel is working like a charm when it comes to discharging 4S and 6S batteries down to storage level so I can store them properly and safely. Thank you very much once again, Alex, for customizing the Phantom Angel and sending it all the way from USA to China. Simply loving it, that how quietly it functions and how properly it functions. Now Alex, I hope you can guide me how to make a custom connector for FIMI X8 aerial filming drone battery. And I would actually do that. With your guidance, I believe I can properly make a connector and use it with Phantom Angel to cycle or put the batteries down to storage level very quickly for my FIMI X8 SE drone, because I do not have a DJI drone yet. Until then, for RC LiPo batteries 4S to 6S, this is working simply like a charm. Thank you very much, Alex, for providing us a very quality discharger right here. Do remember that Alex is also very responsive and very supporting person. So if you write him an email or write him a message, he will reply right away. If you like the Phantom Angel discharger, check the link in video description to the website and you can order it from there. Give this video a big like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for all the new upcoming uploads. Especially, don't miss the test flights of Eachine Airloader. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.